Queen's positive COVID test in late February prompted national concern for the health of Britain's longest-serving monarch. But the Queen is thought to be making a spectacular recovery from the virus, and she could be gearing up for a key royal celebration next week. The Queen, 95, has seen her Platinum Jubilee year get off to a bumpy start, with the monarch testing positive for coronavirus on February 20. The news the Queen had tested positive followed Prince Charles and Camilla, Duchess of Cornwall's positive COVID tests earlier that month, and all three of the royal family's most senior members were out of action while self-isolating. But the Queen is thought to have experienced mild cold-like symptoms during her self-isolation period, and there have been some key signs recently that the Queen's health has significantly improved. Buckingham Palace has provided limited updates on the Queen's health in recent weeks, but on Tuesday Prince Charles commented that the Queen was a lot better now. Earlier this week the Queen carried out her first virtual audience with ambassadors since testing positive for the virus, and she welcomed two new High Commissioners to the UK during another virtual audience on Thursday. Since the pandemic, the Queen has carried out many meetings via virtual link, and Thursday's engagement saw the monarch address diplomats at Buckingham Palace from her primary base of Windsor Castle. Windsor was the backdrop of the Queen's self-isolation period, and it is understood that over the weekend she met some royal family members at the residence. The Queen spent some time outdoors, according to the Daily Mail, which suggests the Queen is well on the mend. The monarch was thought to have been joined by Prince William, Kate Middleton and their three children, Prince George, Princess Charlotte, and Prince Louis, at Frogmore House on the grounds of Windsor Castle. Princess Beatrice, the Queen's beloved granddaughter, is also thought to have paid the Queen a visit with her baby girl Sienna. With the Queen's recovery from the virus evident, she may have further cause to celebrate when a key royal event rolls around next week. On March 10, the Queen's youngest son Prince Edward will be celebrating his 58th birthday, and given he lives right around the corner at Bagshot Park, he might expect a visit from the Queen for the occasion. The Queen is known to be incredibly close to her youngest son and his family, with Edward's wife Sophie, Countess of Wessex, thought to be a close confidant of the monarch. Since Prince Philip's death in April 2021, the Wessexes have been well placed to provide support to the Queen during an undoubtedly difficult time. And the Queen is also thought to be very close to her youngest grandchildren, Lady Louise Windsor and James, Viscount Severn, with Louise sharing the Queen's interest in all things equine. The Queen will likely be hoping to be fully recovered for later this month, as a string of important royal events have been planned. On March 14, the Queen will be hoping to attend the Commonwealth service at Westminster Abbey along with several other members of the royal family. And on March 29, a special memorial service has been planned at the Abbey to commemorate the life of Prince Philip. With Philip's funeral held at the height of the UK's lockdown last April, the service provides the opportunity for more people to mark the remarkable life of the royal family's beloved patriarch.